I'm making a really special dish today. It's actually one of my daughter's favorites. I only make it on very special occasions. It's a braised octopus dish with oranges and olives. I'm just getting the leeks cut into half circles. We want the leeks to be a little bit on the large side for this dish because we want them to hold up to the braising process. Olive oil next. Quartered red onions go in next. And the leeks. Garlic next. I'm not looking to cook this down too much to lose too much volume, because when I add the octopus, this is all going to cook together for a fairly long time. The octopus is going straight in. I'm going to cover it, and that will help the octopus exude its juices. The best part of this dish, the oranges. I'm going to cut them into wedges. It's a really unusual combination of flavors, but orange, anise, and green olives go incredibly well together, and that's a trio that we find all over the Mediterranean. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, all those beautiful pink juices are starting to come right out of this beautiful octopus. In Greece, we say it exudes the sea. Usually, we don't add any salt to octopus. I always add a little bit of bay leaf to my octopus dishes. And in this recipe, a little bit of star anise. Now the fun part. Squeeze the juice into the pan. The oranges are going to cook together with the octopus. And that slight bitterness in the skin is what really gives this dish its extraordinary flavor. The next thing that goes in here is a Greek spirit, ouzo, very redolent of anise, and it enhances that star anise that we also used. And a little tomato paste, just for some color. Try to dilute it right into the liquid. And now we're going to let this cook probably for around 45, 50 minutes. You have to keep an eye on it, know what's happening with the liquid, use your judgment if it needs to be covered or not. I'm going to cover it to continue cooking the octopus until it's nice and tender. I think this is done. Oh, yes. A couple more things. Some green olives. A little black pepper. Let me just give that a stir. We don't want to cook the olives. We just want to warm them through for a few minutes so that they absorb these delicious juices before we serve the octopus. And the next thing I'm going to do is brighten this up with a little dill. I've got fresh dill here. And this is ready. Let's taste this. And a little snip of that orange. This is an explosion of land and sea. The orange, I love that flavor. It's just so intense. That in combination with the octopus, which is earthy in its own way, but also has that beautiful sea saltiness and is infused with the anise flavor of the ouzo. I really hope my daughter's happy with this, and I hope her friends in the artist community of Athens also like it.